This is how to connect to ClickHouse. So on your ClickHouse, click Connect. We will use JDBC as our connection. So this is our JDBC URL, and I will use an application called dbeaver, and I'll click this new database connection. I'll choose SQL and I'll scroll down and click ClickHouse, click Next, and choose URL and paste your JDBC URL here for your authentication. Copy your username and your password and click Finish. Then we will connect to our ClickHouse. So just click this connect icon. And now you are connected to your ClickHouse. So this is how to connect to ClickHouse.